love the 2018 Model 3. The Tesla Model 3 was built for safety, technology, efficiency, and acceleration. That rare combination makes this a vehicle for the ages. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, navigation system. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.